what should be done and what should not be done. We don't call ourselves some of us. The Adventists are not spared either from the snares of the devil. He has caused a lot of doubt in our minds. We really doubt everything. And in our interaction with other faiths, you admitted when you are Old Testament, is it? There was a people that wonder when is Old Testament relevant and when is it not? And there's some parts of the Bible that is not what we want us today. And this scripture's time relates that in the past is kicked out to a relevant person wakati huu, ikifika wakati huu, this must become what? Obsolete. It can't happen in the world, but it never changes. So in all these snares of the devil, this deception and everything, how can you